Hello and welcome back. Today I want to show you how to insert letterhead in Microsoft Word. So I'll go ahead and click on Microsoft Word, and then I'll open a blank document because we are creating a new project. So I'll go ahead and click on the insert tab right at the top here. Just click on insert tab, and then in the illustration group, go to pictures, click on this arrow, and then click on this device. So you're inserting an image from a device. I have this on my desktop, so I'll go ahead and click on the desktop and select the image that I want to insert as a letterhead, like so. And now you can see that this image does not cover 100% of this page. So what we need to do, make sure that the image is selected, and then right click inside and click on at the bottom here, click on the size and position, and then on the size tab, select under scale, make sure that this is 100%. Also the width, make sure that it's 100%, and leave everything else as default. Then go to text wrapping tab and make sure that you select the behind text. The text wrapping should be behind text. Make sure that you select this one here, and then go to position, and under horizontal alignment, just select on it, and then choose centered and relative to page. Make sure that it's relative to page, and then under vertical position, select also alignment, and then make sure that this one is top, and then relative to page also, and then just click OK, and now you have your letterhead just like that. So that's all for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.